Here we are, Jeff and Sarah from the bridge of our boat. So here we are, back at Palm Coast. We just left there Saturday. Today is Monday, and we're back. We just had a transmission put in last week, and we did not expect to be back, but we are, and we're headed back to the marina. Why are we coming back? Because there's a hurricane coming, Idalia. There's our first stop for supplies. You picked out some wines of distinction.
Markham, J. Lord. I bet they put up all the carts. It is 7 o'clock, August 28th, and we are at Palm Coast Marina. We are here to prepare the boat before the hurricane comes through. As you can see, it is very calm right now. I guess you could say it's the calm before the storm. And there's a few other people here that are getting their boats ready and getting them covered up and everything tied down. And that will be our projects for tomorrow. Any comments? Any babbling from the bridge?
Well, it's Monday. We were back quicker than we thought we would be. We just left here on Saturday and then heard about the hurricane on Sunday, and so decided to come back here on Monday. So it's Monday. It's still a couple days before it's supposed to hit Florida. So we got a day to get some stuff taken care of, and and then we're going to ride it out. Now it's projected to right now to go north of us, pretty much the eye. So hopefully we just get a lot of wind and some rain. But we'll see. We'll keep you updated as we go along. That's all I have.
What you doing, dear?
We're getting ready to fill up the water tanks. So we got fresh, full tanks of fresh water.
Into this house we're born, into this world we're thrown, like a dog without a bone.
Taping up lazarettes so water can get in.
And why would that be an issue?
Because it's about to rain a lot.
Overwhelm our bilge pumps
Oh,
and sink us. Very unlikely, but it's a precaution that it just takes a few minutes to do. And
I put little hooks on it.
yep. And what I'm saying, we just don't want to step on. You know how the thing will rock? See what it's doing to the tape on the other side? We just need to stand in the center until we get some rubber pads replaced on that.
take him by